Thanks for checking out my channel, Pastime Prospecting. I'm back out at my parents' farm in the San Luis Valley. If you haven't seen it, watch my other videos of the San Luis Valley, Southern Colorado. I'm gonna head back out to the creek right over here, and got the high banker this time, so I'm excited to use it, see what we got going on. Let's take a ride. Alright, got down here to the creek. I just got to this spot. I was looking on the map of this giant bend right here, this nice big turn. It also like kind of turns this way and then like this around here. However, it's running really slow here, so I might go check out another spot. I did notice though it's kind of dammed up right here, which may be causing it to be kind of stopped up. I think it's really deep here. I mean, I might put my waders on, but I might not be able to get through right there. I'm gonna check it out. If so, I wanna check that corner right there, and then possibly, let's see, possibly right around here. You know what? Let's put on the waders and check this spot out. All right, it's way too deep. Right now we got all the winter melt off. I tried to get over to here to where I could cross on that side of that fall right there, that little dam. I just can't get across. So let's drive to the other spot where I was last time and see how that looks. I like this spot. This is the spot I was on my last video when I was in Southern Colorado. I like this spot much better than the other one. Well, first off, because the other one's all pond. It's got a pond right now, and we need to do some work over there. But I can actually see cobbles in this one, and so that helps me find out where I wanna go. But I mean, as you can see, it bends this way right here, and then this is a giant bend here with a sharp one right over here. And I haven't actually test panned on this particular big bend because I couldn't get over here in the winter time. Last time I was here, I was digging right there on that side of the bend, and right here at the beginning of it. So at the beginning of it, I only had a couple specks, and then right there at the outside edge of it, I came up with a pretty good amount. This time I'm going to test pan multiple spots, but I think I want to test pan first on this side and see how we're going now that I can get there. So let's do some test panning and see where we want to start. Got the dogs with me today. It's my parents' dog. This is my dog Reese. Let's see what we got. so far I've tested 3 test pans. Let's see, I had 2 over in this area right on this other bend, and then just now right here there's a bunch of larger sized cobbles. As you can see, the water's kind of running quick right there, but right here it's stopping up a little bit. So I did one right there. Every single one of them, not a single speck. So I'm gonna keep on test panning. I think, well, I'm gonna test pan the spot where I got the most last time, and see if it was a fluke or something. And then I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so I tested in that spot, nothing once again. So that was test pan number 4. I'm doing test pan number 5 in basically the very beginning of this whole turn is where I'm going to test. There actually is quite a bit of big, larger size cobbles, and it's really hard to dig. So because of just there's some big stuff under there, I believe. But I also wanted to show you guys what we're dealing with here. Let me flip the camera around, hold on. So in those other areas, it was kind of bigger sand, kind of like the bigger stuff in here. This one is a lot of kind of thicker area here, and also this one has this gooey clayish sand. So let's cross our fingers on this spot. I'll show you guys what we pull out. Okay, so I've done like 3 test pans in this spot. I've done 2 over here, and then just 1 there, and 1 at the other bend over here, and not a single speck this time. Feel defeated? No, I don't feel defeated, because at least I get to spend this nice beautiful day in southern Colorado outside on the water. Like, that's peaceful. Defeated? No. And I'm not going to give up. I'm going to set up the high banker either way, because I have found gold here before. So I'm just going to set it up, and I'm just going to start piling dirt into it, and then we'll do a clean out and see what that does. If there's nothing in the clean out, I don't really care, because I got to spend this time at the water. So I'm probably going to do shovelfuls from over there, shovelfuls from over here. Where I test pan is where I'm gonna probably do shovelfuls from, whether it had gold in that or not, because I wasn't getting very far down, and it's more because I'm having a battle with these large rocks that are down below, which to me is a good sign. But I want to kind of get below those big rocks, and once I do in one spot, then I'm gonna test pan there. But I'm gonna start running that high banker. That way, at least digging down to those spots, I'm putting that dirt somewhere, and into that high banker, I might as well be putting it there. So let's get rolling with that. All right, got the high banker set up. Don't know if you guys will be able to hear me. Oh, actually, I got a microphone in my backpack. Forgot about. One upgrade I did do, and actually just this morning, a gentleman on my comments mentioned getting that little mesh out of here, which I had planned on doing because it was just catching up too much material, basically just binding up with all the small stuff. So I got this, I would say ½ inch. It's probably about ½ inch on its biggest, but that's exactly what I wanted. And out here on the farm, I have more materials to choose from on stuff like that. So luckily I found that piece and got it put in. Like I said, I got this set up. Ran a couple shovelfuls just to do the testing, and goodness sakes, man, it's either, I know it's not bedrock, just big cobbles. It's really hard to dig, so this may, I'm just gonna run it slow and take what I can from different areas, and have a good time with the dogs here. They're being crazy. Love that water. Okay, I've ran maybe a bucket of material. It is tough digging right here, but I'm kind of taking that as a good thing, because I go down about 6 inches and it's hard, and I can't find the edge of the rock to pry it up. I don't know if it's multiple big rocks or what, so I'm gonna keep on working this hole here, but I can't help myself. But I got to do a clean out because I'm just darn curious. So let me do a clean out and do a quick pullback and see what we can see. All right, I did a quick pullback on it, and I see 1, 2, 3. I saw 2 more float back here. So there is gold in it. I'm gonna keep on going. I mean, sure, there could always, it's always nice to have more, but at least I'm seeing something in here. Probably gonna change spots for the next one and go down a little further, because right now I'm digging just next to this loose, just out of convenience. So I'm gonna try some different spots. That spot I worked on pretty long time, and it had that big rock under it or something, so I'm having a hell of a time getting past that. So hey, maybe it's worth just changing spots if I only have a few specks of gold from that spot. So let's try another spot. All right, well, I did 2 cleanups on the high banker, probably maybe at most 3.5 buckets, probably more like 3 of material. I was just having a super hard time digging today. I didn't remember it being that hard last time, but I remember being able to pull up more material, more sand than I was today. But getting a little cloudy out, but I need to go spend some time with my mama because it's Mother's Day. Make sure you guys tell your mamas happy Mother's Day. There's my dog found a bone, so I need to take it away from her. Anyhow, I'll get home, do the cleanup, and then we'll get back to you guys. All right, I'm back home. I've got the material from my parents' house classified. I have plus kitchen strainer, minus kitchen strainer, and minus, this is minus 60. So we're gonna clean it up in the cleanup sluice there and see what we got. I will actually pan these 2 back and let you guys know if we have anything. All right, I'm gonna pull back the minus kitchen strainer. Sorry for the lighting, it's probably awful right now. That's all I got. None of that fancy camera equipment business. I'm not even gonna do much. I'm just gonna pull back. And let's cross our fingers we got something big in it. Nothing big in this one. All right, let's do this other big stuff. Let's see what we got in here. Once again, let's cross our fingers here. Big boys out of here. Nothing this time. There it is. The Mother's Day gold haul right there. You know, oh look, I even have a dime for size right here. Well, that's what we got for Mother's Day. Should I retire and maybe just start going full time at my parents' house, doing some prospecting over there? I think I might. No, last time I was there, if you watched the other video, the water was a lot calmer and I was able to dig a little easier for whatever reason. I was in the same exact spot. Maybe I'll watch that video. Maybe I wasn't able to dig so easy. However, this time the water was running real quick. I feel like every time I'd pull my shovel up, that water was moving my material away. No excuses here. Some days you get them, some days you don't. Today I didn't get it. I guess I should say yesterday, my bad. Also, first time I'm running the Flower Gold Wizard mini sluice, cleanup sluice. I might have to touch that up a bit, so I'm gonna probably have a video of running the cons from that, the tailings from that in my blue bowl. I did run the blue bowl tailings in that and found like 3 little micro specks of flower gold. So it would only be fair for me to check the tailings from the Flower Gold Wizard in the Blue Bowl. However, would I say one's better than the other? No, because you got user error here. I gotta figure things out, man. So do I like the sluice? Yes, I do so far. Do I like the Blue Bowl? Yes, I do so far. I felt like I was missing a lot in the Blue Bowl. For whatever reason, I felt like I was getting pulled down the hole, but apparently not. So anyhow, I'll make some more videos on that. I did go out prior weekend to this one, and I did some high banking at Big Bend or Still Street Park. I have all the material still to run. I didn't make any footage, so maybe I'll make some footage of what I get out of it. So anyhow, we'll catch you next time.